For this video, we're going to be looking at how to resize our charts and positioning our charts as well. So to resize a chart is like resizing any form of an image. So if we just select it, we can see the drag and drop pull handles over here in all the corners. Now we can go ahead and resize the image. Okay, position, because we got the four-way cross there, we can reposition it. So let's reposition it from the corner of F2 down to M38. There we go. That is how you resize it and reposition it. If you want this chart to appear on another sheet, what we can do is we can go to our design tab, and under this location block here where it says move chart, we can then select what chart we want to put it in. So I'm going to select sheet 2, click OK, and there we go, it's been moved to sheet 2. Now we can go and reposition it. So A1 down to 020. So I'm resizing it like that. So there we go, that is how you go about resizing, moving and repositioning your chart.